Hello, my name is Nicole and I am going to set up a projector for sewing patterns today. Before today, I've been using PDF sewing patterns, but I've been printing them, cutting them, and then taping them. So I have a mess of patterns on my floor at any given time. And now I'm gonna put a projector up and then hopefully not have a mess of patterns all over my sewing room all the time. So I basically bought the cheapest projector that I could find meant for sewing. So I got the AcroJoy 9000, hopefully it works. I paid $80 for the projector on Amazon. It is regularly, I think 100, but I got it on sale for 80. So I paid $80 for the projector and then $20 for the mount. And I'm probably gonna recruit my husband to drill. I have vaulted ceilings and also I cut on the floor on this mat. So I want to still cut kind of in the same spot. I'm not sure if we'll mount it to the ceiling or if we'll mount it to the wall, but I wanna be able to sit on the floor and cut. I know some people use a table. This is a short throw projector, so I think you can make it pretty close if you want. I have no idea how to set it up or how long it's gonna take. I think it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'll update you guys with how it goes. Okay, so where are you gonna put it? And do you think that that's gonna project, like not directly below it, but out so that I can sew where I normally sew?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'll be able to angle it.
yeah.
He's looking for a stud right now. And how high are you putting it? He's about 6
About
foot.
7 feet.
Okay, so we're gonna mount it about 7 feet up. On a side note, I'm pregnant and I've started a newborn baby capsule. All right, what are we doing here?
And a drywall hanger.
All right, I don't know what that is. Why'd you do that?
Try to put this guy into hanging on the drywall.
Oh. Okay, so only one's in the stud, is that?
And that two will be in a stud. That one's just to pull this third edge.
Okay, so the mount is up on the wall. We could have also put the mount on the ceiling, by the way, but. And does that just connect right on there?
Just put it on.
Interesting. I did have to put an extension cord. And then now I'm going to try to calibrate it and figure out how to actually get patterns on it, and we'll see how long that takes. But the mounting was super quick. Okay, so we're kind of just trying to angle it to get it generally on the... Okay, so it came with a remote and I was able to... How do I flip it?
Push the gear.
There we go.
Do it again.
Oh. No, it's flipped. There it is. So I can flip it because this is how I usually sit to cut. Right now, we are going to connect it to Wi-Fi and then try to figure out how to get the pattern from my phone.
So got to connect to the Wi-Fi network that your phone's on. So we did that. Then under the advanced settings, the fourth one down, you go to iOS play mode, and that should say screen mirroring HD. Once you've done that, go back to the home page. And you go to iOS cast in the bottom middle section. And from there, you should be able to screen mirror.
Okay. People in my PDF. Oh. Okay, you want to make sure that calibration is on so that you can see what size this box needs to be. Okay, so I think that
No, you just that.
this little box is supposed to be...
You just that.
Oh, I do?
Yeah, this little thing is just the cant.
Okay.
And then the focus.
Is it about... Oh. Okay, I'm trying to make it the right size. Oops, I'm not focusing. Is it about the same? So I'm basically just moving this until I get it to be the right size. And then also I have a pattern piece here that I'm gonna try to like put on it and just make sure when I do have it, what I think is calibrated, I'm gonna put the actual pattern piece on top just to make sure it's the same. I think I got it. I have, so that each block, that's a 2-inch square for calibration. So we did get it. It took about 5 minutes, but that's way quicker than me sitting and cutting a whole pattern. So now I can just cut all these pieces. I don't know, I think it's pretty good. The only thing is it's a little bit hard to read. Like I can't read which piece is front or how many I need to cut. Oh, you made it clear. Oh, okay. That's a lot better. Yeah, and I like that it's on the wall because I can like lean forward and cut without blocking it. You know, if it was on the ceiling, when I'm like, if I'm on my like hands and knees cutting, my head would get in front of it and make a shadow. Okay, it only took 35 minutes to, thanks handyman. It only took 35 minutes to mount it and calibrate it, download the app, everything. The whole thing start to finish. I started this video 35 minutes ago. And it took way less time than I thought it was gonna take. I thought that would take a couple hours. Honestly, I blocked my whole afternoon to be able to set this projector up and it took barely any time. I can cut and sew something right now. If you liked this video, like, comment, and subscribe.